Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. Mary Tamadasu, good evening. Good evening, my lovely sister. Good evening. Good evening, my lovely people. You are just coming and I'm just starting. So you are welcome, Mary mates. You are welcome, you are welcome, you are welcome. A long greeting to you people, to you guys. So now, my people, many things still there we will still talk about today. Many advice still there we will still give ourselves. And there are many. Kate Ogbemudia, that is my lovely mama. Yo, good evening, good evening. I greet you now where we agree to now get a baby. Now well done. Wabi lekete, wabi venerekai, wabi doleo. Age ko igaso boyone, no domigo mina age. Okawo. Akedomie we iswen ibu digari ne. Mame Marie Kavi akavi magma menehiri. We are all fine, Mary mate. We are fine. We just fine. We do we did well. So anyway. Where ewebo imagine iwebebo to lavebu or laviko to laviramiri or lavikinori aje. So okay na me where iwewe mani rewebo ma okay na me where ni maago tori ogweji edama to ga go tori ogweji so that nemi mage give lave ve gogo. Ihuawebo ibi agbara ka we iyama eriyama we nokpa eriya we nokpa eriya gbashawo eriya we nokpa eriya mogo nokpia ihuawebo ma ihuawebo wa mogo nokpia arewebo mari ma we kokwo fi werie be wanani kwona ni rewebo na walao wariga fie edama de ehoe owu wani wariga fie werie wago tori ogweji runda oku owenu gweje mana gbovowe okpi avenu je gbovowe wa understanding me oku owenu gweje amana gbovowe webo okpi ya ori gbovowe ara we na geleve tabe no taje ikpi ya yewe no gidoto ori do gbovo sebe webo na ikpi ya gbovo se ikpi ave to ogese ikwo ni mawe ka wo be ninye wo ya be to ori kwegi to ori kwegi nyinye de weri ave no we umewe omodo we no taje uke gbebe nu mana yo moto ni uke vani dole ko weji udolu nyime ji uwe ke vani uga wo we na ya gwo wodo we na ya di wodo ya e wo ase vani. Good evening, Josephine Gareva. You are welcome. Ruda owodo na Yona kowa kode kisi ajeswe ogwebe ino. Unyume ugwebu maye omodo. E uyebe nyi wa ave omodo ne. So for that simple reason, you many who get out you many knock by. Okay, na miegwe manikwi mani rewe bona. Man yi venishi maiga anyi lelerima. Maga nyi venishi maya anyi lelerima. Wa amyo. Ege ni na nawe kagwe single mother na hiyo. Single mother na hiyo. Nokpa na hiyo. Ari miyo eviri yo. Ae wik biyeso ve nyi ho. Biyeso nye ho. Ae wik biyeso waro ni wa nyi ho. Bete. Okon nou gbe kagwe ni ya. Iya yewu. Weni ya yewu. Okon nou keve akwe ya unia. Okon nou bofyo to bubuzo ya leva eniya. Weni ni ya yewu. Okon nou begedege munia. Weni oweri yo yewu. Bete. Wik bi ani ya fefe. Ave se di ave do adekun no enegbe wo. Ave se di ave do adekun no enegbe wo. Now, unyima bijima vegeni. Erima ga bagari wina ijima ogari eki. Egbu nyime berio okeke nuwa aga nyi. Amiegwe ado bogeri mama vivai ubishima vivai. Erima ga vere erima kesowa ijima ka keki sowa. Ruda egwe eri mama na dova ewowa eme no kwano. Eri ma ke kiwuna reni, eri ma vya kiwuna de ovi da kovu de. Oga ida kovu de. Eri ma ga ida kovu de. O ka ve bu avosi yo ni e ka ya fie kan ne. Ni ka ya fie ave na afia ne bi kona. Yeri ke fien fove ya fefe ijima o leva ene muwa. Vegena na kana ni telefon ere ni vegeni o. Eri maga gisowa ijima viva ye tibu niya odome vivai. Eri ma do pobo. Evani we bari makena be ka we pobo. Ijima we pobo. A ko afia kere. Ni ko afia. Ekeni na afia ni evani ti mana ka be dede we ye ba ju gan me go tana ya ko enu hia oda. Edema de ga tota ipalo ni eko aziyo. Evani, they are making greater tomorrow for their children. Okay, na mie ni mani huwe we bovidiana ni mavia anyi verio. Oda mani we ave modern vegeni gberane. Ave modern gberane. Eye modern da word ni marije a modern world, digital world, marriage but maybe young marry we. So, Ruda, I wear with women manirewe bona, all lave gogo. Every woman manirewe bona, all lale liran here. But let me educate you people. O Korea we bo marry my way ho if you will ye. O Korea we bo marry my way we bona do ye ho egbe. Oh. Egbo mi no bun e va gbon. Egbo mi no bun e va gbon, mi bun no ri mi e. Vegani, vegani. Vege erima vegani, erima ga fi akpa veria. oga we iji ma emi no ya ka ne eri ma ga si ogwe voto iji ma emi no ya ka ne oni osie ni manaka we ma o ne wanire we bo manu wa bi anyi biri eri ma be gari okwo e mo diva so ma be o ne na mi egwe wanire we bo bi dia na nu wa bi anyi biri wa rewe bo ma mari ma we mi dan wa ki do wa leze wa fi wa ko bi wa na wa ki mi dan o abi oku he mi dan abi bi omo he mi dan edama doge ihwima blessed mothers in ire because it you were single mother blessed mothers in ire daddy si Germany no France no Italy no Spain no wa go tori oweji no ma ezose ga kin ave zose bo o bi go tori oweyi o ga wo se no kin aze yes na marry mate you can share it now share mona share am may viral may go anywhere you can share it no problem you can share wa go tori ogweji no la word of no egwe yele lokpia oye mo kpia no mu yen yahun ye mo kpia no onori yen yowa no ogele mi na egwe ori yen yowa if you nyime we were ye if enyu we nute ya single ni nute ya only one person ni who do fear with you because we can do a partner now you want to have partner now then who do fear with you who do alwe partner on iji money how can what reason name your pa iji man or work be bad 40 something years we wodo or to celebrate 50 something years we wodo o man agbon me no wa iji money be him or river to the extent of the David Diomado asile gbe hin ọmọ mi no see e ọmọ mi no see e na vi erima vishima na pese verio a modern world in imagine ọma fi ma erere werie agbona ni imagine agbona ma fi werie ma na agbon fi werie Eviso afana good evening Eviso agree to brother awa agbon fi werie agbon ma fi werie ma na agbon na ofi agbon we ofi werie when agbonjeri agbonjeje ihwewima nirewebo wala wowo pagi mari ogo negbe ma no pe ame na ari ogo ni ma pagi mari ogo negbe pagi mari ogo be dade wa no pe ame na ari ogo nu wa ari ogo negbe wa be dada me ke ya fe no wariri ara u no wariri au ke no wariri ajo wa ge mi opa ni a obi gboga post mi ye Facebook ve no ta yo mu la de mo ye Facebook but if you every man here do ya download there here do more your Facebook here we look at Benin people here with every man or riwe and man no we ni obi gbono better do more your Facebook awe obi every man we aruda ori mani eyin agwa lowo ori mani eyin ri ya sokian okeke na miegwe ni ma ga wewi my ga wewi ni agwe na Benin woman be this talk can I make you be good person they talk say Benin people no good, Benin people no good. We no know say Benin people good like this. Good evening, Mose Chris. My lovely, lovely. Good evening, good evening. That's a Mose TV show. I beg you to subscribe to a YouTube channel. If you want to see many of my information, it is Mose TV show. It did there. Mona go find out. I'll see you there. Subscribe. We understand it, man. If we mother any when you can retire from the beginning, if we be so raw, or when no bowa begede gemuni, especially this modern world near Winyana, and wish a word in a mafia way here, yet to be not a modern. If no you or here you. But the fact is that the problem is that where rudawo pe awu mi nudo fi onyime we werie o di onyime we ya je be rudo mama no gide rudo mama pe no gide aga mewe boy gba ni owo pe no de pe no hian no gele mu emu gwe ye ko no gele ka wa gba wa evakin. Owa gbagu wa evake then rude no biaka we do aye eni ni do ayu no aso logungun wegbe o magba emo wa re da won iyen ave mo wa e da won o me na yaku we are beg where we maso we are where we manage. Now we are not do both of the social media, do both of the Facebook, both of the that day ya ni do you best zone ave ya if where we mammo say we are where we maso egbin ya ugmogmo eno. So for that simple reason ogoni okeke ni Maria eniyan. I like the social media do atiebo. Ado ladian we social media ado atiebo ni hu ado agbongbon hu ado akaweri ona wona o ihu we ma deserve na temu atiyan muruda iyan yi ma yiyan yo when iyan yi ma yo ihu we ma yi ma yo in the sense of where odo na hin even if we ma like eragbonke mi de this is my husband if we ma ya yo be ma ihu we ma yo we yes mo wa nyana na ogano ogbe akedo aya we yo uge ho we nwa uge ho we ama uge ami ewo pe ana ya ozedu na ma we webu u maintain uriye okbia enotaje iye bobo kan ga arugwebu esoro na yo gwezedu na ma we you as a learned woman who am no ya ka nda eri abeji maga adu ebege ni you as a learned man or can we have your future who am no ya ka that will keep the relationship. Wa dame gangan wa dame o marokpa wa ki movie train wa move on with your life. Move on and take care of your children. God will surely do what what your heart desire for you. Even so, lati yan we eriyan we who copy. Iyan we who copy, iyan we who copy, iyan we who copy. We are one like social media and who copy, who copy. In my dictionary, there is nothing like hook up, and hook up is not existing in my dictionary. Imana hook up, hook up, hook up. O salobo hook up bi aboku. O kuya. O kwe okay. Oyan ni we hook up your vorata or veno. Omanagbo yo imoku onwe. Ese no managbo uno ma. Omebe no ye. Ese no salobo unu we oto se dufome. Omanagbo ga moku onu omego kino se boda wo izaga. Oma bezaga. Igbo voduri. O salobo akpa ori okwu no ma no fu ma gbe no be di o ma boya. O salobo ani o be ri okwu o be no ma nena be mi o ma go. I have a book up in here. Okay, he say me I speak English. Breakthrough, she's okay. I say, now only God. Now they give person woman, now they give person wife, now they give person husband. Where not they collect money. Now only God go give you relationship where go last for you forever. Not be man like you, not be woman like you. Ave nene hook up in here, not those work what they do. Say hook up. At the future, he go see guy go be. If you want a wife, sit down, focus, you will get a wife. If you need a man, sit down and focus, you will get a man. Not by going to anybody on social media to say, I need mama, I need good woman, mama, I need good man. Oh. You need good man. Now only God now know what the woman mad we go give you. Say, okay, this kind of woman like this, it fit you. Not be person where they talk for social media, can say, because you don't know what he did, your fellow person mad. You will come tell you, say, okay, I will give you this sister. Brother, this sister, I go hook you with her. Person where you want give person, you don't know where he be. Now so you do now, you go carry wish, go give person where he die you. Well, understanding, man. Okay, a hook up. My people, my women, blessed mothers, don't be faster than your shadow. Just settle down, you will see a man. Focus. Be thinking how you are going to take care of your children. Be thinking how you are going to make money. When you are thinking of that, and when you are making it, man will look for you. It is not by hookupping. My own fellow woman, my own fellow guy, you go say they do hook up for social media. I your carry for your call a guy. I need baby, I need woman. I better do one woman for me now. Arrant nonsense. I did one program one day. I said, somebody said, those women, they said they are looking for husband. No, it's a wrong statement. It's a wrong, as in, it's a wrong talk. How can a woman say that I'm looking for husband? No. You are the wife. A man will look for you. A man is supposed to say, I'm looking for a wife. Not a wife will say, I'm looking for a husband. How can you look for husband? No. Are you the one who want to pay the man bride price? The man is the one who is going to pay your bride price. So for that simple reason, the man is the one who is supposed to look for you. Not for you to look for the man. Are you people understanding me? How can you say you are looking for a husband? No. You are looking for a husband. No. Let a husband look for you. How do a man look for you? When you are strong, a man will look for you. How can you say you want to hook somebody up with somebody? You will first of all tell the person to go and bring 200 euro. That is not an hookup. Who working on it? A trade well, we are wire the training la den we share them your social media we are working. Wow, doma. Wow, deep whoa. Buy your women, yeah. Buy women. We do I come out to where we hook up? Hell no. No. Who working on it? You sell them for her. Yes. So man look for woman. Woman don't look for man. Bros, I beg you. Mama, I beg you. They look for husband. How can you say you are looking for husband? Please, my women, respect yourselves. Don't rush in anything. We are work with one. Uyo in a gbe oko gelewu, u blend egbuwe, egbo ye fian. A man will look for you. There is a character you will possess in the public. A man will look for you. There is how you are going to talk in the public. A man will look for you. There is how you are going to struggle. A man will look for you. Not for you looking for a man. How can you be looking for a man? Now you want to marry the man? Area we hook up. Area we hook up. How can somebody know we hook up? A man so we hook up. No we hook up him or do. Don't want we can hook na. Oh we go le hook in neck we abitu we agwa le hook up in agmoya. We my hook we are hook come. You are doing a hook up. You don't have husband. You are doing a hook up. You don't have a wife. How can you hook somebody when you don't have? When you want to hook somebody, you show yourself as an example. Bring out your husband on the social media and very good. You say, this is my husband, I have a husband. Now my husband, now be this one, my people. And that one go see greet now. Hey bros, I greet you now. Hey viewers, I greet you now. You go come out. You will be talking on social media from year to year without seeing your husband. Where we hook up. They hook up in where? Igualo. So we to buwa hook up in here. Wakiari hook here, who come? I bet my people just 1 minute. What's the one? Oh, with one. I thought she was in the other one. No, not tell yourself. Sorry for keeping you people waiting. So sorry for keeping you people waiting. Then you said you are doing a hook up. Iruwa will hook up, Iruwa will not ba. When all that have so when all that have a hook up, no other hook up. Jesus grace. Jesus grace, good evening, good evening, good evening. So now, as we are saying, Good evening, Diana Tessie. Diana. Good evening. Then, how can you come out on social media, you say you want to hook somebody, you are hooking somebody? When I who come out, we can give you an example, Negbuwe. We maka hook who come. No, I can we never water. We do how we who come, we hook up. It doesn't make sense, eh? Or make sense. You must teach, you must make an example of yourself. Then when we can hook up in him, I don't know, yes, this is really what you want to do. And a man that your choice did not go for, if they hook you with that man, for example, you are in trouble in that relationship. Akataka. Akan wenokwo, a precious mothers, a wenokwo, a lovely women, a women of circumstances, women of glory, no sagmono makbewebu, where ya yigo, ya pay no man we hook up, no more be anu we. Hello, Ogini ne megi now. Huh? We're not one at your gonna. We're not one on a neck. We're not one am you were very another me where yes, are you were gone. We're not one okay can me when you go there. When are you go to where the different corner? I don't me where you go look piano adera. Wogiri go ya mugge. Even you will copy when you go where go look beer. Is that fair? Is that right? No. Ọkọ ẹnu ga kọrin o must omi òpì ànọ́gá mu. O máa rí akọrin o omi òpì ànọ́gá mu. Pride matters a lot. Raise your personality. Raise your pride. Mo wá rush rí. Don't rush. Wagi òpì agwaluware is better than if, for example, as I'm a man now, maybe for example now I can call one of those people say, I beg I need hook up, please hook me with one. Anyone where go hook me put and I go pay put, you can hook me okyo ya lue ya bula oa because he there okyo eme. So I think we're very different in Orovi Nusari Noma. You see the difference between the one God gave you and the one we presenter hook you with. So nothing like natural. Natural and artificial are not the same. When God give you natural, when presenters give you artificial, it will never last. Majority of Nimeve Mievesu, Igbunigbuna Agbuna Waladi. Let us respect our dignity. Women, respect yourself. Respect your dignity. Respect your attitude. Respect your way of living in life. You will see. You will endure and endure. You will see. You will never see a man that will mess you up because you respect yourself. Yes. Yes, now marry mate. Now truth now, many of our women use the money marry men as husband. Yes, now. Our women. Immediately you get to your husband's house, you marry. My ladies, you will change your attitude. You will change your way of living you were using before. They try to create your character like the man's own. The mind wey you get, you try me, you change am, me you come turn am to the man mind, so that when the man speak, you will understand. Then when you understand, the relationship will be going smoothly. But if you try to keep your mind in you, then you let the man still keep his own on him. Anything where the man talk na you own talk. Anything where the man talk na not be your own talk. You know take am because na your mind dey with you. You are failing it. You are missing it. You are losing it. The first thing you will do when you marry, when you go to your husband's house, when you and man is living in the same roof, when you and man has already living as husband and wife, you will try to take the character of the man. Yes. Now then you can see husband and wife sometimes they resemble themselves. Why? Because they don't extend their body to each other. From there, when the man whisper, the woman don't already know what he talk. When the woman whisper, the man don't already know what he talk. You now understand me? This life where we dey so. We are the king. Women is the queen. But that queen they are upgrade more than us. There are some times where you will try to misbehave a little in the presence of your husband. You see your husband go come, you go say, yes. A good woman, you go also comot, you go sit down you go just maintain because daddy don already talk. Then where daddy go say, hey, come on, go and sit down there. You know say wetin they do so not good. Go and sit down there. The woman go sit there tell her say, leave me. You know leave me. Waiting, leave me. You are losing it. You are losing it. That is not the kind of thing man want. A man wants when he talk, you will obey. Then your relationship will grow. I am talking about this thing when you are with the right man. Good evening, Chris. I say, hey, now my producer be that too. Now my oga pata. Now they produce all my program. Now my oga pata be that too. Oga pata era me no kwa wani that one na my papa. We go godfather. Now be that. Mary Mate say, I always pray to live the kind of life my daddy and mommy are living because I have never seen them quarreling. Okay, when we the children are where we the children are, then but later we be no, I don't understand your writing, please. Okay. Later we will be here. Love. Okay. We say but later he say then he say but later we will be here. Low voice inside the room. Yet low voice inside there waiting. Where? Low voice inside the room. Yet they will never say to us that was happening. Yes, happening. Yes, They will never tell you. John Silvera, that is my lovely. Long time no see. You don't throw away me. So, Charles, I said that is my lovely brother, my lovely pa, my pape. Na senior man. Na senior man. Wa mi oye gbari. Na senior man. Na they produce all my program. When I go to a YouTube channel, part I said, you did for there. Now you get that YouTube channel. Now they carry all go program for na region. I go see how many. Mona subscribe, mona dey press that thing. Mona make sure so na dey press that thing. Mona dey press on, mona dey press on. As una dey press on, I go dey pray for this side. Make God go dey bless una. God go continue to bless una. Go dey reward una. Go dey reward una. Na yeo. Wa ato wa ma wagbon. So now you see the kind of life where our mama, our papa live that time. Where they go dey quarrel for his house. As Mary mate talk just now, where do they quarrel for his house? Our papa and mama go suffer go cack from one side. They will suffer go their inside room. The next way you dey hear na now you dey hear. You can never hear where my mother will tell my father who's you are. No, the next thing you will be hearing na all those kind of things. Now you dey hear. Later, when my mama come out for his house, he go smile. You come surprise, say, mommy will not rub powder enter daddy room. If they come out, my powder can't rub, come out. Honestly, manaka walk boru bibi. Ishima vegeni ya la owerima. Iya iladi awo wiye ya gbe padare. So self iya wala de instantly ni ya gbe padare nyere. It must a TV show. You don't know your papa. You hear? You don't know your daddy. Well, you say, Osas best say, many girls in this Europe that don't want to put their head down, but I don't know why. Okay, that one I normal. Sorry, I made some mistake on the writing. No problem. We still understand what you write. Then, as best say not be lie, yes. So now, our papa that time, or our mama that time, he get the way till they run their packaging, where till they run their things. Yes. Vegeni ma vijima vegeni. So my people, women of glory, women of circumstances, let us behave like our mother to our father then. So let us behave like them to our husband. So that your husband will look you, he will testify your glory. He will say, this is my wife. When a man look at woman, he will say, I will marry you. You get the reason why he talk and we get what he see for a body. Either the woman he has a character, or he has a beauty, he's respecting herself, he's okay, he doesn't flirt, everything is complete for her. Because definitely everything does not complete for a woman, but majority of the something must complete for her that will make a man say that I will marry you. Nobody will not like better thing. Nobody will not like better thing. So please, let us stop finding artificial love. Let us stop creating artificial love. All this artificial love wey we dey create, so e no make sense, e no good. Make we stop this artificial love. Let's stop it. Let us put an end on this artificial love. Our no was on social media, no there. Where we hook up. Where we go be on a twin. Small girl, no twin. Yes, no yes, and area. Why you twin? How will that one side? How will you hook up? How can you never experience husband house go say you dey do hook up? How can you don't born 3 children wey not get husband go say they do hook up? How can you say you don't born 2 children wey not get husband go say they do hook up? How can you be man wey not get wife go say they do hook up? Or Guinea now? Who do you want to teach? Who do you want to hook with? Are you doing the hook up for yourself or you are doing the hook up for somebody? Where you have never hooked yourself. A hookup is made for married people programs. Pastors. Prophetess. Or do we hook up in the program? Pastress. Everyone that are from nowhere, you just come out from nowhere, you say you are doing hookup. This one they should come and be paying money. Okay, you say you like this our sister. Okay, right now, you go and meet my secretary. He will tell you what to do. That one will come to truth concord the secretary. The secretary will say for the start is 200 euro. When the both of you meet each other, then at the end you come and pay 100 euro, which is 300 euro. Bemata. Bamege ugema. I rather keep that 300 euro. Imamie ya uyaga ni bega. Denim diakege no salobo akai. No yari. Make I tell you now one story. E get one woman for France where they do social media, where they do live video presenter. The woman come say they do hook up. The woman come say they do hook up. Then he can hook 2 people. As he hook the two couples, so the boy wey dey that one dey Italy, the girl wey dey that one dey France. So when the boy come dey want say he wan come see the girl, he come go this woman side. He come call this woman say, make na this woman side he go for come down. Make this woman come pick her for train station go your house. Then this girl go come meet the boy for the woman house. Unomana akpewa, a boy did not get to read. The boy just come down. Immediately the boy come down. The boy clean, fine yellow boy. We are dressed no more yari. Omana we no omana who come and no person we hook person for person. Na he can hook himself give person. Nyegi boy even no ya sok biya mama. Ana wari bobo wala wa go bobo yakara. You just carry the boy enter house. I don't know what the boy. Again, he got call you. Mama, what of this matter now? This boy, he say he don't come. He say he dey your side. So mama, they come now. Oh, now okay, may come. Or another thing that the boy come to tell the girl say no, you worry. I just see you. You know, you are not the kind of person I want. As in, not be the kind of station where I want to be that. Or on a very good day. The girl he dey. Boy ni wa mi agbadi awo we madana. Boy ni wa mi agbadi ikuni awe madan ri ga ku ore nana. O no who come an ni o. Na we na who come an o man ni o. The girl now we call him, not the picture the boy, picture the woman, not vayari. Well, you need vay well. But I just still look at him say, Meti italo enagbirane. So how can you don't have husband, you say you dey do hookup? You first of all show us your example. Say, my people, this is my lovely husband. Now you are right. We will respect you. We will not say yes, not true. You feel really adore am. Not be you never even test husband house. You the advice person. You can't be like person where they advise, person where not get work. The advice person where get work. Say money where they pay and not rich. You now understand me? Don't look for man. Don't look for husband. No. Let husband look for you. Let man look for you. Nowhere destiny husband or they follow they come. Nowhere. Either he go follow here come or he go follow here come. You get one day you just dey waka dey go for train station, you just jam your future husband. You get one day you just go party like this, you just jam your future husband. You get one day you just say, okay, maybe buy something for market like this, you just jam your future husband. Na different way they for the jam future husband. But before you will marry, you will make sure you teach yourself. You must go to the school of how to stay in husband's house and how to enjoy husband. When you are doing according to what the man tell you, things will be going smoothly. Because men are rude. Men want you to be like them. Where therefore they curse men, you just lay curse around. When you rude to a woman, or when you control woman without you are not going to marry that woman, you are in trouble. Yes. If you know you are ready to marry a woman, you can control her anyhow. You can rude on her, say, hey. You can tell her what to do. We know you want to marry her, no problem. No problem. But you don't want to marry her, you do. When he lay curse on you, the curse will be upon you. Now, so they've been as best. Do not beg any man to marry you. Let man beg you to marry you. Yes. Don't beg a man to marry you. Let man beg to marry you. Don't give a man money to pay your bride price. Let a man work for his money to pay your bride price so that he will know that you are expensive. He will know that you are quality. Who does that? Yes, now, Mary Mate, Osas best. When they talk about love, when a man understands you, you understand the man is love. Don't create yourself as if you are the man of the house when you know you are a woman. Let a man feel that he is the man of the house. Then you will put yourself in your position that you are a woman of the house. A woman of the house is supposed to know his position. Then your relationship will grow on higher. There is how you will do. A man will cry when you want to break his heart. There is how you will do when you are breaking a man's heart. You go say, "Make it go." So the character you possess when a man cry for you is what you will use when you go to husband's house. My people, love sweet well. Husband house is sweet well. It's a big respect. It's a pride. It's a pride when you are in husband's house. A husband's house is where you will go, you will start fighting a battle. When you win that battle, you will become enjoy. You will enjoy. You will enjoy. You will enjoy. Now, double blessing I did there now. You will enjoy the husband. You will enjoy your children when your children grows up. The very day a man pay your bride pride, that very day you will start building your foundation. Which foundation? How you are going to build that your home for it to be strong. When a man love you, a man look like a crazy man when he love you. Let man craze over you. Don't craze over a man. Yes. So people go say, I love this my guy. I dey craze about him. I dey mad for and dey mad about him. Why I tell you that over where wa me way? Oh, you na feel me ma where wa gwa lezenu ade yi. Yes. Let man mad over you, not you mad over a man. It is love, woman love men, not mad over men. So men love women and they mad over them. So now see the different way they. Only one thing now woman they get for us, love. Not be mad. Two things now man get for woman. He will mad over you and he will love you. Easy egbe or sesebo. If you have any say, blessed mothers, women of circumstances, women of glory, women of future. No my own modovo we no ziegbe. O manata manage you bono je no man. Who you tell not get help we go help you. O managbo memye wo we se nu o miewero. Don't cry to fellow human like you. Cry to God. Let God answer your prayer. Or when you 10 years old, you answer, be there. But because when God answer you, now they last for person forever. Not when human answer you. Stay there. If you never marry, come down. Look for a man of your choice. Then you go on with it. Not be the one where you be say. Not be the one where you be say. When a man, when you give these people money that you need a hookup, you need a man. The man that will bring to you, you don't know if it is devil. You don't know whether I wish. You don't know whether I'm wizard. Whether the carry call give you. They will come carry and give you now. For your mind, you can't be like the kind man wey you no want. But because you no get, see, I don't pay money put, I don't pay put. Me, I just, me, I follow up. Why is that bully ko yaye? Oh boy, is that da? Be strong. Women are the stick we land on. Women are the sources of we will be men. Women make we will be men greater than greatness. They make us prosper. They make us higher. They lift us up. That is women for you. Good evening, Harmony. Why? Because they want us to be lifted. A man go say, I am looking for a woman. I am looking for a wife. Fine, you must look for a wife. Not the way you sit down for your parlor, then you see the wife who they look for. Not the way you carry money, go give them for people where they do hook up, now go give you wife. Or now you take see wife who they find. No. Choose your choice by yourself. Search for it. If you are looking for a woman, stress for it. So that when that woman go reach your hand, you will respect yourself. When that woman come reach your hand, you will respect the woman, you will respect yourself. You go come first go take the road where you pass before you get this woman. You go maintain. Love where they use money to buy. Or you can't go use money to do one for hook up. They can't carry woman give you. Not be stressed now. You not stress put now. Not be money. Like person wey go just take Germany here now, for example now. He just received 350 euro for Aduro money and a single. He carry 200 now go give them. Say me they give her a wife. Now free money now. Now free woman carry now. He can never respect that woman. He can never respect that woman. Who does that? What are we talking? What are we doing? My people, it is our time for we to be calling ourselves quality, greatness, greater. Be quality. When a man is approaching you, let the man know that yes, you are quality. Let the man know that yes, you are special, you are glorious. You will see the man will respect you. If the man even the planner for man say me can't shop your money or make come fuck you, can't take you do the spirit go die for inside body the way you are going to do to yourself. The spirit you know it will work away. Now you want to say they'll just toast you. Before they just toast you some more, you don't they say, hey, I did, then they deal like this. The guy go dey happy, they go see free toto, see free toto, see free toto, see free toto, oga. When you settle down, the man will come to your way, carry the man down. You go solve, you give a paper, may solve why question. Not be woman in what? You are ready to agree. And you say you see the fine husband. But that word that the fine husband not be waiting that they talk is a wrong statement. But you need them. You self-receipt the man down. Then you set paper for a table. The man will start to answer why question. Jam, you go to answer jam question. Then you will interview the man. The man will go commission for your hand. He go interview for your hand. You television, you turn and you say the man go confess. Before I marry Bava, he go hear word, he go hear wine. Body go tell him. He go no say yes. See you jam. As now we be man so say you people are nowhere to be trusted. If our women want marry una this time around, now they'll carry una hand go put for trade track. That hand your way they dey trade track. They'll put una hand like this. They'll use una swear oath. If una say una will go do this one. If una say if I don't born for if you abandon me. If una say if I don't do this one, I go abandon you. If you say you go do this one, you go swear that you will come out. Gena, very important, very nice. Very nice. Very nice, Gena. Women is the key of the house. Men is the king of the house. Men is the head. Women is the neck. Without neck, no whole head. Head no go stand. So for that simple reason, you that want to stand your husband have to respect herself. You will be say yes, now you be the pride of the house. You have to count your step according to how your husband want it. You need to move yourself according to when man will look you, man will respect you. You need to dress properly when man. Now me they use that they make parable say when you dress like Agbero, not just see if you are looking for a husband, your husband will be you still be an Agbero, not just. If you dress like an Agbero lies, get up for my mind say now Agbero lies husband, how God will still give you. You cannot dress like Agbero, then you will be expecting a responsible man with that suit. No. Then number two, but when you dress responsible, you will see a responsible man will come for you. Your dressing code matters the kind of husband that will come for you. Hey, see my brother, see my blood, God will vote. That's my blood. Now you dey come. I want to round up, so now you dey come. Your dressing code determines the kind of husband that will come for you. When you dress responsible man will come for you. When you dress agberunology will come for you. We are okay. All where we go, what of your own? I never see chance I'll can't greet to now. Now worry, the day when I'll land, I'll let you know. May I can't greet to now. You don't want beer you or where beer me wangu. Very important. Are you people understanding me? Please, if you want to build a responsible home, the cost is from the woman. You, the woman, now they build home, not be a man. A man will wake up in the morning, he goes to work. The house will belong to the woman. So that woman will build that home before the man comes back. Yes. We as a man, we are born to struggle to take care of our wife and our children. Women are born to stand our home for us. This is the reason why they say, una will be women, una get sense past men. Are you understanding me? Women get sense past men. But as now una get sense past, una supposed to use that sense for us. We go fit to make sure say yes, everything go dey good well. That is the reason why they say, he who found a wife found a good thing. But he who found a good wife found a good thing. Not be he who found a wife can't find a good thing. No. He who found a good wife found the thing. Found good thing, I mean. When a man last or not last, it is the hand of you will be woman. If you want your man to become the greatest tomorrow, it is from you, the woman. A man can never fight for himself to become something. No. It is the power of you. But before you give that power, respect yourself. What a man needs from a woman is respect. When a man stands in the public and hits his chest, my wife can never flirt, my wife can never do this, my wife can never do that, you know that yes, he married a good woman. Because he don't already observe him. He don't observe him, he don't observe him, he don't observe him. Say yes. Woman where they do change. Sunday their husbands they go they do change. Their husband they know better. They go lock up. They're quiet. Why? You go reason and say me and look and whether I go change. 2, you go your look and go say, if I say me I still leave this one now, he guess that he go come be. Hungry now go kill me. I no go feed the say me I enter kitchen and go dey cook. Make it there. Now understand? Not be so the man no say see what you dey do, but he go one major lock up say, yeah, rest. But for women, where they do peer, for example, you have already done your reputation in the hand of your man. So that is the reason why when you are ready to go to husband's house, you will learn a lesson and you will try to respect yourself. This in our time, we know the difference between married women and unmarried women. Women who don't marry, women who never marry, we know the difference. Our time, women who don't marry dressing code, they like make even wear trousers self. Their dressing code, the guy they be, we know them. Women who never marry, we know their dressing code. Women who don't marry, we know their dressing code. But this time around now, everybody are all the same. Everybody are all equal. We not call no don't marry. We not call no never marry. No. If you are ready to win the heart of a man, my dear lovely blessed mothers, when a man you and a man are living in the same roof as husband and wife, when you are living with a man as husband and wife, you will change your ability, you will change your dressing code, you will just everything about you will change. Let people know in outside that yes, this is a married woman. There is a woman you will be approaching on phone. You go to tell her, says, brother, I don't marry. When I ask my side, the brother will tell her, say, shut up, why you dey lie? I beg, don't do. Shut up, you just dey tell me lie. Which was my ass you dey? I beg, answer me. You understand me? There is how when you call a married woman, there is how a married woman will communicate with you on phone. Now there you for no say yes, you don't. Now this woman really dey husband house. Married women, hello, is different from single women, hello. Good evening, happy Becky. You understand me? Married women, hello, is different from single girl, hello. You understand? A married woman talk with authority. You understand me? The way we go take talk to you, now you tell no. But this time around now, a married woman now, they go to talk like say they be single woman. How can a man will be talking to you? You will be talking to a man where you know you are under a man. Then you will be talking to a man as which you are not married. Hello, and I get a smile. Now smile, I did bros. Now where they not the trust, they know the trust to Nana. I get gasha, but when I will be men, as soon as they talk when I need woman, they're not trusting. How can a married woman be talking to a guy like that? We are okay, pretty Kim. We are all fine. What of your own? Do you understand? There is a married woman you will call. The first one you hear, hello, who be this one? Well, who they talk? Wetin? You say, and I mean, I take am easy. Take wetin easy. I don't know you. Talk to me. Who is this? You go say, na me. Person not give me your number. Say me. The person not tell you that I tell us man. So good they kill you with the person. I beg. Not try this number again. At least na better thing you want tell me. Now you go by yourself. Come quickly end down. Okay, get fien. Our time. Now so women with just man still dey make call. Our time. If you touch woman for hand like this, married woman for hand like this, he go hold you for chest, he go hold you for waist. He go make sure say he go drag you reach where your husband dey. He go make sure say he go hold you, he like make your husband dey from here go Italy, make your husband dey Italy, make he dey here. He go hold you. He go make sure say he hold you, wait for your husband, make your husband come for Italy, come meet you. Yes. For our time, married woman like this, you go hold her for hand like this, they call you, they waka, they go waiting. He go grip you, go hold you. He go grip you, go make sure say the same person go ask me, go call your husband come. Or make same person go work, go call your husband come. Now your husband will come tell and say, leave on. Married woman, now they tell you so. For our time. But this time around now, the next thing you say, brother, say, brother, don't do. Who are you talking to like that? We stubborn boys full everywhere. No. That is the kind of thing men want. The most thing where men want from woman, where men love pass from woman, don't double date, don't cheat. Don't cheat, don't flirt. When a man have tested you, he have know everything about you. He have go deeply about you. That you are not a cheater. You are not cheating. You are not a flirter. That man is ready to sacrifice himself for you. But when a man starts suspecting you, discover that you are a flirter, you are a cheater, you are a this one, you are a that one, have it in mind. One day, all vow a well. When a man have not paid your diary, for example, you are just like friend. Una just a friend. Una just be like friend. But when you give the man a child, for example, say you don't give him pikin, immediately you give that man pikin, he's now already your husband. Because that pikin don't already bring the pride come. That is the set one. For husband material, the first step is when the both of you will be living the same roof. That's the first step. Second step, you give the man a child. Immediately you give that man a child, the man already be your husband. You don't be the man wife, be that. There are some relationship whereby the man will not pay your dowry, but if you do anything stupidity, that child pikin go dey worry you. Now there you can't say the man get ancestors. Are you understanding me? The first step of marriage is when you and the man is living in the same roof. Second step, when you give the man a child. You don't pay your dowry, they go be that too. Una don't be husband and wife. You don't be your wife, be that. You don't be your husband, be that. Una don't be husband and wife, be that. Then from there, you can go pay for family. That pay one they pay. Make the family just know say yes, we do there, we do us, and then you don't come pay, you don't come buy, you don't come pay. Make the family just know you. So okay, now the person we will dash our pikin to be this, so we don't give our pikin to Ramo. Now just be that one. The real marriage, you don't already do one for his house. Wait till be that real marriage, you don't give our pikin. Now that marriage for start. Atuna hear wetin God will vote. Una hear wetin vote talk now. He say, men, please respect woman. Please, wife, respect your husband. And you will see blessing from God will be in married home. Very important. Okay? Una hear am. No marriage where blessing no dey. No marriage where lift up no dey. No marriage where way forward no dey. No marriage where success no dey. But you as a woman, build the home. Build your house. Respect yourself so that blessing will come to that house. Because when the man ancestors or your own ancestors want to intervene in your relationship, for example, they can use you as a subject. Or all those, I tell you just now, say, in every marriage there is a battle. You must go for battle before you settle down in any marriage. In any marriage. In any marriage, no marriage is free. In any marriage you go to, you must suffer, you must face calamity, you must face war. You understand? Egbe soro agari we no kwori wane. Adu ayu we we mi no makeke nu. Adu aya we misbehave agari ni we lele. Oro boya kan ni we lele kona ya hian. Ave bo kwa ni agawo wani. Eni we do fio bo ba we do awu e akakmaka. Then again we do a misbehave. Ove come no misbehave ni aru aweri an ze ru aweru if you are not strong in spirit. If you are not really strong, you are not a strong woman. You get with the way where they push you. You can't go do what you're not supposed to do. They come from there and tie you finish. Then from there, they can't tell you say that they are what you do now they worry you. So there are many fights you battle. There are many battles you battle in relationship. That is the reason why we are telling women of these days, when you are going into any deep relationship with a man that lead to marriage, respect yourself. Teach yourself a work. Teach yourself a lesson. Don't be agitative of one thing. Be agitative to everything you see. So that when you be agitative with one thing, only that one thing, they will use it to monitor you. They will use it to take you. They will use it to find you. Without something, they will make sure without something, you will fall into trouble with it. But when you are agitative to many things, for example, you teach yourself into many things. To many things, you put your hand in many things. For example, they will not know the one they will use against you. What are the many things? Patience, respect, obedience, gentility, focusing. That is what you will do. If they find you here, you are not here, they will go to this place. Here where ukutu magewe bon gbe no neri ogbin we emi opa re re we gbe we ko pa wo wodo nu ye wa ni have it mind ni ni ya da me we have family lodo nu we me na de yeti ni we de yeti ni na ba we eyin owa ogbu e o eyin owa mu e de na we bon egi ni do vi obo nyan. So you must fight a battle. Are you people understanding me? Battle for you. Then you will come surprise say your husband will not quarrel where you come out from the money go work. As they come for work like this, he go spoil for it. Your Christian not go answer you. When you talk, he go shout for you without no reason. The devil is at work. The enemy is at work. A family lawyer can admire your turn. Everything destroy marriage in better. If you work here, you nana me away. Nana do here we nana do area we good you. Agwalo na away. Again, where do I misbehave? Where do I miscure? A marriage home is made for two couples, not for family. Now me they talk am. It is made for you and your wife and your children. Not for you and your uncle. You and your auntie. This one my papa brother. And my mama brother. Na my mama sister. And my mama sister. Na my papa be this, na my mama be this. No. Your mama getting you. Your papa getting you. May they go there. So as the two get their own, so you say if you and your wife get to their own, the house will made for only the both of you. You and your wife only. Yes. With your children. If you wear one say udo bo wa ba wa, e mo wa ri odo wa so na ni ma bi ju wa. Yes. Are you people with me? Why? Because if mama no come, my wife no go turn to bad person. If my wife mama no come, me I no go turn to bad husband. If my wife brother no come, me I no turn to bad husband. If my brother no come, my wife no turn to bad person. The rate where my brother take overstay welcome for my house, the day when my wife go to work and use like drug ground like this, now my go see character not good. Trouble don't they come with that. Trouble don't they come with that. Trouble come they come different corner, different angle. You come they hear different thing. Now there you come reach as you come go to tell him mama say mommy, okay brother John here them man. Okay brother John o jawa no. Okay brother John o wa zuwa, o ma dan wa no ma dan. They to marry wa we go ma dan no. So where the surprise we wa river for how many fucking donkey years? Amamie wa ma dan no. Amamie wa not here wa ma dan. Wa river tun wa river wa dan ma gbo tun wa tun wa ma wo ye river. Oye descend a clear ye ji win oye gie bu wa do bai. O ma wu. O ri se tonu wa do na do a ma dan. Who does that? My dear, a relationship are made for two, not for all. Immediately you pay bride price, take your wife home. When you take it to your home, be there. That your house there, not be alone at two, alone at two get am. If your papa come greet you now, hey, pardon me, which day you want come out? Because we want travel. Very important. If you say you go come out tomorrow, because that house is for only the both of you. No alone at two na dey there. To avoid trouble. But if you not fit say maybe you be man or woman where they pack people, they come house, where they pack our family, they come house, wahala not still dey, but you ready to start a battle. You ready to face battle. Yes, you ready to face the battle. Yes. You will get ready to face battle. So that battle where you ready for, now be the battle where those enemies, those husband people, or those wife family, or those husband family, now but their battle now you will face. They go to tackle you. They go to push you. They go to push you, make you go do what you're not supposed to do. Either they will use the man against you, or they'll use your picking against you, or they'll use different things against you, make you go do what you're not supposed to do. Immediately you fall a victim of that thing you do. Have it in mind. You are a gunner. That time they'll come tell you, say, oh, you feel where you are, oh, you are and you remote they don't already come every year, they don't do it. Hey, I feel where you are saying on that woman now. Understanding? Me have you born your hand. Again, I do a bear with Bokba. I do a book on him by my vavo. I do a billy afefe. Aba wait as oil. Even when I want to me work with no for us if I were igualo, Bima as on him. I work with a real wig your team. So in every marriage, there is a battle. If you are ready to face a battle, you are ready to go to husband's house. No problem. If you are ready to go to husband's house, you are ready to face a battle. Which battle? I don't explain that for now. Then, how are you going to overcome that battle? One, you will be looking the face of your husband. Respect. Obedience. Which one I put again? Strong and whatever. Many when I made fair measure just now. Then you will see. You will go see her. Everywhere we go smoothly. Yes. You now understand me? So please, before you get married to any man, teach yourself. Then more leave that in. So our sister here in Europe, it is time for you people to fight to make sure you will put an end of what they are ranting, what they are saying on social media, saying on different applications. You now understand me? Don't say because you are in Europe you are misbehaving. Don't misbehave. Work according to how God creates you. Don't say because you are in Europe then you need something by force, or you need something urgently, or you want something urgently, you just want to do something urgently. No. Calm down. Don't say because you are in abroad, you are in a modern world that yes, you people want to live like white people. You don't want to, because you are living like a white people, you don't give people respect. No. Respect yourself. Change your character to real African woman. You see, whenever all women in this country have respected themselves, all women in this country have made themselves comfortable, you will see all these men, they're not going to see anything when they talk for social media again. They're not going to see anything when they talk, they come out again. They're not going to see anything when they'll talk about women again. Now they hear me. Mona they look grand, they put leg. Waago tori oweji. Mona suffer the waka una own according to how God take create una. Mona put una self for the position of how God creates you. Now God talk and say, when you lift up yourself high, He will lift you down. Yes, that's as in, if you pride yourself, say you too high. You the ratio that up say you too high. God saying will bring you down. Work according to how God creates you. God had personality, not we human have our personality. No. Women of circumstances, women of glory, blessed mothers. Let me tell you, when you respect yourself in every country you are, in every place you are, you will see a man will look at you and testify. Men will can't become running after you people. Before going to any marriage, before going to any relationship with a man, because before you go to any relationship with a man, sit the man down, you give him WAEC question, jam question, you jam am well, you see am, offer a marwe you to bo yan pa gbogbo ade come here piece oil. But when why are you worry la bedi? One yawa we bedi very and we not do something. Or what go when so turn a dear body smoke by who deck be me. This is not the time we are talking about boyfriend or girlfriend. This is the time we are going to talk about husband and wife. Married, married. Because how can a 38 years woman will still be saying I need a boyfriend? No. Or I'm looking for a boyfriend, or I want a boyfriend. No. How can a 38 years old woman will still say, he will still be calling a man, say, this is my friend, he's my boyfriend, he's my girlfriend, he's my this one? No. It doesn't make sense. Wetin make sense where we want me with the year. A 38 years old woman. We see, when you go to visit, they go say, this is my husband. That is what we want to hear. Una dey understand me? This is my husband. Now we want me with hear. We don't want to hear this is my boyfriend. This is my friend. He is my friend. No. He is my boyfriend. No. He is my husband. Is what we want to hear. He is my husband. Now wetin we want me hear be that. A boyfriend is made from 20 years. 20 years is okay. Boyfriend, no problem. 20 years is okay. Boyfriend. This time around, 20 years, all of them are in husband's house now. Talk less of a 38 years old woman will still be saying, this is my boyfriend. No, it doesn't make sense. What we want, this is my husband. That is what we want to hear from you. So women, please, if man is not ready to marry you, if you see the man is not ready to do, take it off. Fianfua. Zohu. You are dating a man, the man is not talking about marriage. Poshwa. If you dey look the man and say, you not get where you dey go, you not get where you dey stay if you come up for the man, go to sleep train station. No go where you go ever. When you go where the age where you here. On a very good day, you can't come out and say, this is my boyfriend. This is my friend. Sonia, we are one name, we're here. Imagine what an insult. You are putting insult to yourself. Or say, when you watch you say, when 50 years you work, but you also say, because you know eternal. Okay, c'est 30 years. Voi was on Uverio. I'm not about 38 years. So for that simple reason, when you date a man or when you any wow or my tell me marriage, you obviously doing my way marriage, my dear. Fuck him. Look for a man who will pay your bride price, who will marry you. That is the reason why we are saying, where I want to hear, this is my husband, not this is my boyfriend, or not this is my friend. Where your cousin, see, my friend, they for down aside, they for Germany, they for Munich. A person where they talk so about 40 something years or 40 years. Now see they said my friend. Who does that? Who does that? Who does that? Say my friend. No. My husband, that is what we want to hear. My husband, that is what people want to hear. My husband, waiting my like past that thing all day. When a wife will call them my husband. Oh God. They like him. Teach yourself right from your hold now. Teach yourself right from your young age. If you are a single, you don't have a husband. Hey, see my personal person. It hear me. When you are a single, respect yourself. Start building a future. Start building how to stay in husband's house. Start building how to respect husband. Start building how to know how to pet husband. Start building how to make husband become husband. Start building, be learning it. Although you never marry, but they learn and down. In case when you get there, you start using it. It will not be difficult for you again that time. Know that you will go to husband's house first before you start learning how to stay in husband's house. Before you start learning how to take care of husband. Before you start learning how to make husband comfortable. My dear, you are a soup. Who can well 2 years with him and done every family ni? Who for? Again, a woman. Again, the woman. So anyway, may I leave una. Una where they go hook up. When they talk about hook up, where they for social media, I'm gonna stop am. Not gonna be God where they give person woman. Not be God where they give person man. Una where be man where they find hook up, where they go the same way that they help una they find woman. Go and look for woman of your choice. Don't let another woman choose a woman for you. How can woman where not just man go come out for social media go saying they do hook up? Now you want hook himself, I be the hook person, I be one hook person, I be person one hook can. He never hook himself, he the one hook person. So you will be woman where they talk say you are looking for husband. It's an understatement. Not be word will make sense. It don't make sense. You understand? Woman don't look for husband. Husband look for woman. Now yeah? So man they talk well sometimes. Yes, now hook up must stop now this 2020. They'll stop them now. If I start to tackle them one by one, they'll stop them. You understand me? So my people, woman don't look for man. Woman don't look for husband. So people go say, they look for husband. How can you be looking for husband? Now you want to pay the woman, the man bride pride. Now you want to come marry the man. Where you go to look for husband? Let husband look for you, not you look for husband. Una yeah, I love you guys. I still remember General Kodowa, Odogu Elebuwa, High Chief Odogu Oguefi 1. That is me. Now me be go one mama. That small boy where they follow spirit, they snap picture. And they take selfie with spirit. John Millie. Very important. Small body, big age. I greet all of you. Respect. Mommy Kate, I greet you. Mary Mates, I greet you very well. I greet you, Gedegbe. Pretty Kim, that's my lovely daughter. I greet you. Please, women, if you know you have a wife, go and respect your wife or husband. Men, if you know you have a wife, respect your wife, no problem. Women, go and respect your husband. If you know you have a husband, respect your husband. Build your relationship amicably. I love you all. I love you all, everybody. I love you all. Pretty Kim, good night. Mary Mate, good night. Mommy Kate, good night, good night. Hey, Zoji, good night, everybody. I love you all.